She wants to be less shot. Oh, there you go. Now we should be like, what the? Hey, boys. I fixed it. Tyson. Yeah. Say what? Alright, come on. Alright, from the pig. She's a red pig.
Shoot!